Do you want to know the most organized, efficient way to get your client information to your underwriters? Listen up. So one of the most common ways that agencies would intake information, the really old school way, is actually handwriting down the client's information that you need to start quoting as they're taking it over the phone. And the agent had to know the questions to ask off the top of their head because they had just a blank piece of paper. So the next step, as agencies started using digital technology, they would start using Word docs instead of a piece of paper. But it was basically the same thing. They would create a new Word document, and instead of using the pen and paper, they would sit here and they would type out the information for the client. Then further, as agencies started adopting more technology and they didn't want their agents to have to know every question to ask, they then started creating Word document templates. The agent would also need to manually enter this information into ACORDs, apps, or supplementals. Sometimes agents would have to enter the same information, like a VIN number, 7 or 8 times possibly. That can lead to errors when copying this information over and over. So we just created the basic information for the client, but now we have to go and add vehicles, add drivers, add property and property info, and all of the business information, the employee information, sales, and everything else for this business needs to go inside your agency management system. So then the next step after getting the information into your agency management system is now we got to enter that information again into your CRM system. So now that we have the client in the agency management system and the CRM system, now we have to pre-fill our ACORDs with the information that we gathered. This is what insurance agents have to do to gather all the information to satisfy their insurance carriers so that they can get quotes back from their carriers. This is so inefficient and time consuming. So GravityCerts' new revolutionary way of gathering information efficiently is through your website, using custom lead intake forms to gather all of that information automatically from your clients. Then, once submitted, this information can automatically create that client in both your agency management system and your CRM system. It can then pre-populate carrier apps or supplementals, or even pre-populate ACORDs. This saves so much time. The information can be entered once, and then it can pre-fill into multiple systems simultaneously in seconds, saving you hours of time on every single client. So your client visits your website and is able to immediately go to your quote intake forms. They can easily submit their information, go over all of the questions, and then submit it to you within just a matter of minutes. Do you want to pre-populate your agency management system with everything from your quote intake forms on your website, automatically creating your account? We'll go ahead and create the primary insureds for you, add all of your vehicles and their vehicle information for you, add all of your drivers into the account as well, and then entering the property address and property information too. But that's not all. We'll also upload files. We can generate a PDF of that quote intake form and upload a copy of that automatically into your agency management system so you have that on file. That's great to have just in case for E&O purposes, or if you want to refer back to it later, you can at any time. So we can add custom fields into your agency management system, and then use the intake forms to pre-fill those custom fields with the client's information. And there's really no limit to the amount of custom fields you can have. So you can have long, complex forms with custom questions, and those can pre-fill automatically into your agency management system, as seen right here. If you have an idea in mind for a custom solution, let us know. We're more than happy to work with you to create a custom integration. Our current solutions that we work with are Momentum, Automate, Go High Level, EasyLinks, AgencyZoom, Canopy Connect, Cover Whale, Bold Penguin, TurboRater, and Zapier. Do you want a clean, intuitive website just like this, that's easy to navigate and looks professional? We will work with you to add your markets, your lines of business, and what you focus on as an agency. We'll set up your menu structure so that we're targeting the industries that you work with, targeting your ideal clients. We'll add your intake forms with quick link buttons so that your clients can easily get to the quote form that they need to within one click. We'll also customize the design for your logo, your colors, and we like to customize it for your local area too, depending on where you are geographically. GravityCerts will design your website so it looks great on any device, including tablet and phones. Here's an example of what it would look like on a phone, where it easily adapts so your user can use your website on their phone easily, being able to navigate where they want to go. Is your agency bilingual or trilingual? No problem. GravityCerts websites can translate from English to Spanish in just a click, making it easy for your clients to send you their information in the language they prefer. And GravityCerts can do a lot more than just English and Spanish. There's about 50 to 60 additional languages that we can incorporate into your website. Just let us know which languages you want on your website, and we can most likely add that in there for you. Go to gravitycerts.com to schedule your free consultation today.